Drillfit training. Here I'm going to show you all the tricep pushdown today with the straight bar. A couple of different tips that you need to use whenever doing this exercise. The number one is you want to push with the portion of your hand. You don't want to actually put it in your hands and let your wrists bend up. That's going to put a little bit more tension on the elbow and on the shoulder. That's not what we want to do. So just in this meaty portion of your hand here, and then I use my fingertips to kind of hold the bar in that position, keeping your wrists very straight. And whenever you go to push down, you want to keep your elbows pinned by your sides, push straight down and kind of let your elbow turn out a little bit to get the main contraction on your tricep there. I'll do a couple reps here to show you. All right, on this meaty portion, fingertips to hold the bar, push straight down. You also see that I'm standing pretty close to the cable for this exercise. For triceps, you want to be a little bit closer to the cable. Some people get that confused with a back movement where you stand a little bit further away from the cable. And that's going to be it for the tricep pushdown.